So Lightning Thief graphic novel, chapter 4, starting now. They are in the car, they're zipping away because something was chasing Grover, and Percy just finds out that Grover is a satyr. So from the waist down, my best friend is a donkey? Blah, a goat. Lucky for you, I really am your friend. There are satyrs who would trample you underfoot for such an insult. Wait, a satyr? Like from Mr. Brunner's myths? Was Mrs. Dodds a myth? So you admit there was a Mrs. Dodds? Of course. We use Miss to make everyone forget her, hoping you think you'd imagine it all. Unfortunately, what's chasing us now is much worse than Mrs. Dodds. If we can just make it to camp one more mile, please. Lightning right through the car. Car flips over, rolls down the road, crunch, ba-bang, boom, tires flying off of it. Flips over and is laying at rest in a ditch. I think he's hurt. Then we'll just carry him we'll just carry him. It's just a little farther and you'll be safe. Food. They drag him out of the car. Car looks like it's smoking. Looks like it might catch on fire. Mom, something is coming. So a figure is trampling through the woods, and it looks as if it has horns. Take Grover and head toward that tall pine. That's the property line. On the other side of the hill is a farmhouse. Don't stop until you get there. But what about you? I'm not leaving you. I'll be fine. It's not me they want. Just go. Food. So Percy helps Grover, trying to carry him, trying to get him to that big pine tree right there. So that's the property line for where they have to go. No! Percy looks back, probably shouldn't have. Mom! Puts Grover down. Percy! So the Minotaur has Mrs. Jackson in his hands, is lifting her up high in the sky. She bursts into a flash of light and disappears. Hey, ground beef! Percy's now very upset because he feels that the Minotaur just killed his mother. Hey, ground beef! He's running towards him. He's going to grab him. Suddenly, he just jumps on his back like a rodeo bull. Percy reaches down with all his might and pulls as hard as he can. Snap! Breaks the horn right off. Raises above his head. Drives it down as hard as he can. Jumps off. Ugh. His eyes are wide now as the Minotaur dissolves into a flash of light. Unlike in the book where it's a little different, and the monster disappears, and yet the horn is left behind. Percy collapses with the Minotaur horn within his reach. All right, that was the end of chapter 4.